guys, Christina here. It's day 27 of vlogging. So tonight I just wanted to talk about this point. I started editing day 1 and 2. I'm getting close to the 30 days now, and I'm pretty confident I want to publish this journey on my YouTube channel. And so I'm starting to look at editing and kind of putting the video together a little bit, and I'm really excited for this next phase of the whole process. And it's so cool because I don't have a lot of things for myself that I do for myself that I'm really excited and passionate about, or that inspires me or gets me really oh yeah, I get to do this today. I don't really have much of that. I work full-time, I'm in school, I have animals, I have responsibilities, I have, I like to cook, I do stuff, obviously, but this is different because I'm excited about it. And I think it's because I am finally honoring myself by allowing myself to do this, actually giving myself that space to express what's always been here and has always come up as something for me to do. And so I just want to say for this vlog today, I just want to encourage you to look at for yourself, what is it that has been coming up for you as something that you can do for yourself? What is something that you've wanted to try? What is something that you've wanted to investigate or look into or study? Or, what is that thing that you keep thinking about doing but you haven't allowed yourself to do? You know what it is. You know what I'm talking about. There is something that you always think about. You always come back to this point of, oh yeah, I could do this. This would be really cool. And maybe you've even taken it further, into its potential of how it could play out, and you really see that's something that you would love to do, or you see how easy you could do it, or whatever it is. You know what it is. There is a point within you that comes up that you haven't honored yet of yourself, that you haven't allowed yourself to express. And I want to encourage you to allow yourself to express that point. Even if it's something that's completely new to you, you've never done before. Yeah, it's gonna be hard at first. Yeah, it might be really challenging at first. You have to get to know it. You have to take time to understand and get to know it and get used to the process and develop it. But you have to start somewhere. You're not gonna get any better, or it's not gonna get refined or perfected until you start practicing. So, oh man, do yourself a favor and honor that point within you that's coming up, that's saying, hey, I'm here, I want to express this point. Don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's part of the process. Be forgiving and fuck, man, give it a go. Just try it. Seriously, what are you waiting for? There is this one life we have, and if this virus has shown anyone anything, it's that take full advantage of the opportunities and the moments that you have. Take advantage of the time you have here, because you never know what's gonna happen. You never know what's gonna shift and completely change the world in one moment. So start listening to yourself. Start honoring yourself. Start expressing that inner urge and nudge that's coming up. Don't be afraid to get to know yourself, because that's why we're here, man. That's what we're doing. That's what we're trying to bring into this world, is this expression of who we really are. And it starts by listening to yourself and honoring those moments. Just honor those moments. If there's something that has come up over time and time again, you keep thinking about doing something, why haven't you done it? Why haven't you given yourself that chance to do it? Are you afraid? Are you insecure? Are you nervous? Do you think it's not worth it? Do you think too many people do it? What are the excuses that you're giving yourself? What is holding you back from actually going for what you want? If I have learned anything from this, it's that, if nothing else, you express it, you get the point out. You know, with me, like vlogging, it was years of persistent, consistent judging of this point of maybe I could do vlogging. Maybe I could do vlogging. I see the potential in vlogging. I see the value in vlogging. Maybe I should do vlogging. I'll do vlogging every week. You know, it was years of this point of seeing the value and potential within that. And if it amounts to nothing, at least I finally gave myself the space to express and honor this point that was coming up within me. Now I won't regret not doing it. If I had to look back 30 years from now and I never honored this voice wanting to vlog, if I never gave myself the opportunity to do that, I would regret it. I know I would. Now I've done it, and I can say I gave it a go, I tried it out, I tested it, and I applied it in real time, physical reality. This is what it is. It either works out or it doesn't. But man, I'm glad I gave myself that space to try it out, because I would have regretted it if I didn't do it. So 30 years from now, what is that one thing you would look back on and regret that you never did? I know you have something, so identify it and just give yourself the opportunity, man, to just really express it and go for it, and don't be afraid, just take it on, do it. And if you want to share what that point is for you, share in the comments. Otherwise, go have fun, express yourself. Yeah, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 28. Thanks, guys.